Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about financial freedom. Financial freedom means you can go for vacation, retire early, and can live a desired life. Financial freedom is not always about being rich and having a lot of money. Instead, it is more about having control over your finance. Now let's get started. How to achieve financial freedom. Step by step. Understand the present financial situation. You should start from knowing where you are currently. This includes your income, debt, expenses, and your savings. Write down your goals. Money is simply a means to achieve your financial goals. You can better utilize your money if you have a clear vision of your goals. Like children education, starting a business, traveling, retirement fund. So take a piece of paper and write down top 5 goals that you would like to achieve in 1 to 20 years. Your goals should be measurable, achievable, realistic and time bound. For example, 5 crore retirement fund. The next important step toward financial freedom is tracking your spending. One of the most important steps to control over your finances is knowing your expenses. This can reveal many needless and avoidable expenses. Paying yourself first means that enough income is first saved or invested before monthly expenses. According to many financial experts, the pay yourself first plan is a very effective way to ensure you continue making your chosen savings contributions month after month. Spending less does not mean compromising on your lifestyle or living a bare bones life. Smart spending is a way of creative spending. Some of the common techniques include learning to make delicious food at home, thereby reducing your eating out expenses. Setting up auto debits so that you don't pay late fees on your credit cards. Paying off debt is a big support to financial freedom. Once you are debt free, you have more cash flow to work in future. The two famous techniques of paying off debt are the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debt first. So basically get one tick mark in your checklist and then move on to the bigger debts. Avalanche approach, where you first pay off the debt with the highest interest rate and then move to the lower ones. Learning new skills means increasing the source of income. Increasing income, while keeping the spending levels constant or in check, is one of the fastest ways to reach financial freedom. Without investing, it is very hard to achieve financial freedom. Invest as much as you can and as early as possible. And see the magic of compounding. Make investments which are better known for you, or invest wisely. You can choose your investment as per your goals and risk profile. First, learn and invest your hard-earned money. Subscribe for more financial videos.